Hi everyone, this is Tina. Welcome back to my channel. I have a mystery stamp set, and this is just some other stuff I'm going to be crafting today, working with some stuff. So about a month ago, I got notification from Greeting Farm telling me that they had a mystery Anya combo kit number 2. It was pre-ordered, so I ordered it a month ago, but we didn't know what the images were going to be. So if you ordered this and you don't want to see it and you want to be surprised when you get yours, you need to turn the video off, because I'm going to show the stamp set right now. So I pre-ordered it, and then I got notice of shipment at the one day last week, I think it was, and it showed up today. So I am completely excited and very, very happy with the images that came. Okay, so this was a pre-order mystery Anya combo kit number 2. I don't know when the number 1 was ever out. I just recently, I mean, I've had Greeting Farm before, lots of Greeting Farm at, throughout my years of crafting and coloring and stuff like that. But I just started recently collecting some of the older ones and some of the kits. So I don't know what mystery Anya combo kit number 1 was like. I don't know. But anyway, this was the number 2 mystery, and it came today. So let me share with you what it looks like, you guys. I love every single one of these images, and I don't know if you can find it, or if it's going to be available, because it was a pre-order, and usually when they do this, they don't sell them anywhere else. You had to pre-order it. And if you want to get on the list for the emails, you need to just go over to Greeting Farm and join their put your email in for the information, and then they will send you emails when they're coming out with a new kit or new stamps. There's also a blog, but this is the mystery stamp, and like I said, I love every single one of these images. Look at this. Hopefully you're not getting a glare. These little girls, this one with the hood, so cute. I love this one's pigtails and the little buns up top. Oh my gosh, and she's got a little shoulder strap and a bag. This one here, I love her hair in this one. And then this one's adorable too, this one here. I mean, they're all adorable. I just absolutely love them. And the thing about Greeting Farm is that they're big enough so you can color them if you're not professional, which I am not a professional colorist. I just go with the flow. I've watched a lot of coloring videos, and I pick up hints and tricks here and there when I'm coloring. But yeah, I'm not a professional, but I love to color. So, and then these are the 3 at the top. And you see, I'm trying not to get the glare in there, but look at the big puffy hat. I love this. And there's like a braid. I'm not sure. I don't think that's part of her hair. I think it's like a band, oh my gosh, what am I trying to say? Like a band of the hat, part of the hat. This one's winking. So cute. Oh my gosh. And then you get like glasses, a cupcake that one of them, I guess, could be holding. This one's holding a coffee cup. It says sending smiles. There's a little gift down here that you could put in their arms. And then up here it says, let's do coffee and cheer up. And then there's a little heart. So this is the mystery bundle that was pre-ordered from last month. So anybody that got in on this deal and purchased it, yours should be coming any day now, if you haven't already gotten it. Absolutely love, 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 love. So I'm happy with that. I do still have destashes available, you guys. I have 1 box of wood stamps that's really, really good stamps. There's Easter bunnies, there's Christmas, there's garden, there's all types of stamps in there. They're all vintage stamps. You can go back and watch the video. It's box number 2. Box 2 is still available. I had it at $50. I think I'm going to reduce it to $45. If you're interested, let me know. Then I have a Gemini mini. It's like a mini. Let me show you real quick. It's this one here. It's brand new in the box. It comes with your shim and your folder to put your die in, and then, you know, the machines in there. So everything is new in the box, never used. And I'm asking $40 for this. I'm going to ship it right in this box, the same box. And that's $40 is with the shipping, okay? So if you're interested in this, email me. And I do have a video. I do have a video up. I had a Gemini Junior also available, but that one sold yesterday. So yeah, if you guys are interested in wood block stamps, vintage wood block stamps, or that Gemini mini, just send me an email, okay? All right, you guys, thanks so much for watching. Blessings, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye.